This is our older greenhouse constructed in 1990. Here you see Formium blackadder. And outside Freckles is waiting. So these are small greenhouses where we produce Carex Evergold, which is continually recycling every 12 to 16 weeks. Keep the tunnels open this time of year to let good air circulation through. These are our older greenhouses, and these were constructed in approximately 1994, 1995. So this is the original part of the nursery, and final construction of this was about 1997, 1998. This greenhouse here, we do a lot of our testing. At the moment we're taking samples of all the plants we have for sale to make photographs and making up arrangements to show usage with flowering plants. A lot of our trials happen here this time of year. This tunnel is not in such big use for trials, but we keep some of our display plants here. So this site is a little bit spread out, and the nursery was constructed in bits and pieces over a period of about 12 years. So this greenhouse, we have our My Plant varieties, which you can see on www.myplant.ie, and we grow the first few hundred or few thousand in some cases of our new varieties to a finishing size, and we market them directly to the garden centres ourselves under our My Plant branding. Mostly it's our intention to sell these varieties as young plants, but always the first year or two we prefer to grow them to the final size ourselves so that we can identify the problems our customers might encounter or may not encounter, whichever the case may be. So, move quickly through. Sometimes it's not so tidy, sometimes it's very tidy. So this is Ophiopogon nigrescens, and you see the My Plant label that we use. And again, various varieties of plants we sell directly in bigger pots to retailers, but sometimes to customers who want to put into very large container. So these are some plugs. So this is the size of a carex. So that's predominantly the size that we sell at. And these are just here for overwintering. Our larger plug production area you'll see a little bit later on. So we'll quickly move up to our newer greenhouses. So this area here we're developing for future production on the nursery. You can see on the top of that oil tank, that's our communication with the world. It's a wireless broadband internet system, as we don't have cable or any other form of internet connection other than wireless, but it's very effective. This area is under construction at the moment. Hopefully by next year we'll have some new greenhouses across there. This is our control house for the heating system. This area here is all production of young plants. So this time of year we have smaller crops of individual items, and later on in the year our numbers get bigger per variety. Irrigation has just been on, so it's quite humid in here. So underneath these covers we have the new sticking. This is Uncinia. So lots of Uncinia. Liberty or Goldfinger. This is all Carex Evergold under cover here. So all Carex. This is our tissue culture weaning area. So all of the plants begin in here and get weaned. So there's a fogging system here. You can't feel it, but the humidity is quite high in here. So those little nozzles, you get high humidity fog. About 90% of the plants that we grow originate in this area here.